In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your ERPNext version. Knowing exactly which version you're using is really important, especially when you're troubleshooting issues, following documentation, or talking to your support team. It helps ensure that everyone is on the same page and that any instructions you receive will actually match what you're seeing on your screen. Let's walk through the process together. You'll want to start on your ERPNext homepage or dashboard, already logged into your account. The version information is found in a place that's easy to access, but it can be a bit hidden if you've never looked for it before. First, look toward the upper right area of your ERPNext screen. Up there, you should see a small menu or icon related to help and support. This is usually labeled something like help, and it's where ERPNext groups together useful information about your system. Go ahead and click on that. Help option: when you click help, a small menu or panel will appear. This is where ERPNext provides access to guides, support tools, and also some basic information about your system. Take a moment to let that open fully so you can see all the options. Within this help menu, look for an option called About. This is the key item you'll need. The About section is designed specifically to show you details about your ERPNext installation, including the exact version number. Once you see About, click on it. After you click About, a window or pop-up will appear on your screen. In this window, you'll find the ERPNext version information. It will typically show you the version number and sometimes additional details about the build or other related components. This is the version you can share with your IT team, your service provider, or use when you're checking compatibility with apps and features. It's a good habit to check and even note down this version if you're planning an update, installing new integrations, or following a tutorial that mentions a specific version. If the screen changes in a future update, remember that the version details will almost always be kept inside the help or about areas of the system. And that's all there is to it. By using the help menu and opening the about section, you can quickly and reliably see which ERPNext version you're running.